I say? I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds is all I need to run to you, baby, when you call me, call me. Picture than the Mona Lisa, honey, like a legendary movie. Gotta be a movie. It's hard to go, baby, need a mission. Oh, baby, 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 you are beauty. Bujumbura, you ready? Bujumbura, you ready? Let's go, man, let's go. If you're caring for life, particular time, let me listen. Who can you love if you don't love yourself, man? You feel like you don't matter. You feel like nobody understands. No man is just so baby, I'm right here. When I need to run one, I will pass you the lighter. You need a difference, man.
Make some noise for Joshua Baraka. Let's go.
We're gonna have a crazy night. Are you ready to party with me tonight? Are you ready to sing with me tonight? Let's go, brother. Yeah, man. Tell your neighbor we're just getting started. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 millions. Every day I pray for millions. Yeah, yeah. Braka, braka. What you wanna do, my kid? Don't you know we run this scene? Oh, the next I pray for dollar. Oh, you got to bless that sinner. I said I'm the number one. Hey. I said, friend, I'm a man, I put that you're ready and we so just to sing your verses. Now it's braka. Everybody know I'm going to need that I used to be my superhero. Anyone, man, I really wish I was born in 1944. Look like what we need. But I'm fully up. Thank you for the music, thank you for the videos. Every Sunday morning, some of my kids still with me. It's not only up. Let me hear you say, I said I'll make it one day. But never know when I put you through the heart. What do I know? Wherever I go, they say, what do I know? Even when I'm in the out, they say, what do I know? I think we should get this party started. If we should get this party started, let me hear you say braka, braka. Braka, braka. 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 Ay, 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 ay. Are you ready? Are you ready to sing with me? Let me see if you're ready. What did I say? I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds is all I need to run to you, baby, when you call me, call me. Picture than the Mona Lisa, honey, like a legendary movie. Gotta be a movie. dimension. Oh, baby, 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 you are beauty. Bujumbura, you ready? Bujumbura, you ready? Let's go, man, let's go. Second people line to run to you, baby, where you go me. Quicker than the Mona Lisa. I can get you down and move it. I love being in love. And there's a thing they say, when you're in love, there's nothing you can't do for the person you love, you know? What you want to do, you do for love. Cause you tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world, only you. Let me do for love what I would not do when it's just you and I. When it's just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, you and I. Just the two of us. We'll build castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. You know why? Oh, na na, baby. You know I wanna love you daily. You know you're my one and only. I love you till I can't go. Hey, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. One more time, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Yeah, man. I miss you more. Yeah, man. Braka, braka. Yeah, man. This year has been very testing. It has been very crazy. I've lost a lot of things. I lost my dad this year as well. May so rest in peace. Tell me sorry, guys. Say sorry. Hey, I feel better. I feel better. And this song is called This Time. And in Uganda, when you want to say things come and go, you say Ebidonti Binja Nebigenda. And that's what this song is about. And I'm dedicating this song to everyone who has lost something. Learn to cherish it. Learn to love it. Learn to know that things go. So when you have them, love them even more. Okay? This song is for you. Let's go. You tell me, baby, let me sing now. This feels good, but don't make me down. Say I got that record of the mind. Say I love you, but that's not enough. So baby, baby, just for the hey, well, pretend that it's down. Like in the morning, you're still in my mind. You see, no ever, baby, got to bring it down. So baby, baby, just for the give me one more chance. I might do better this time. Baby, don't you need to navigate? 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 Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you still with me? We're just getting started. Let me hear you say braka, braka. Tell your neighbor we're just getting started. We're just getting started. MD, let's go, my nigga. Yeah, man. Mr. MBZ. Yeah, man. Are you ready? Put your hands in the air like this. Put your hands in the air like this. Put your hands in the air like this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Get my pasta. Hot to body, hot like a summer. She got me in the party, I was down to the matter. Yeah, man. me. So you just to skin up like in the summer can light and you feel it diary. Baby, I'm not charging you. You'll always be my charging my baby boo. If you're caring for life, particular time, baby, let's just play. Who can you love if you don't love yourself, man? You feel like you don't matter. You feel like nobody understands. No matter sex, baby, I'm right here. When I need to run one, I will pass you the light out. Even if it breaks my heart, baby, I'm already. When you need to run one, I will pass you the light out. Even if it breaks my heart, so as I said earlier, good things come and go. And I'm going to be doing my last song. But this next song, the last song, is very special to me. It's a new song. It's coming out on the 26th. On the 26th of August. And I'm singing it because I love you, man. It wasn't supposed to be on the set. Yeah, man. Brother, let's go. I have to come back to Burundi, man. I love Burundi so much. I love you guys so much. Let me say Baraka, Baraka. This song is coming out on the 26th of August. I hope you're ready to stream. I hope you're ready to listen. Because if you listen enough, I'm going to come back, guys. I'll come back, man. Let's go.